Timeless, elegant, powerful, and for one and all a classy cruiser, the Mercedes-Benz Pagoda. We know exactly which emotions this beauty arouses in all of us, which is why its preservation and revival is a personal matter to each one of our team. Bechtel Classic Motors has been restoring classic cars since 1972. Thanks to our long-standing experience, we can offer you the best quality and performance with attention to the smallest details. It all begins with the careful selection of the restoration objects. This step is one of the key factors for value preservation and sustainable value enhancement. Once the restoration object has arrived at our workshop, our team will start with the inspection in order to ensure the completeness. Each stage of the restoration is extensively documented photographically, and then the magic begins. A Mercedes-Benz classic car in mint condition can only be achieved if you go right back to the start, which is why all of our vehicles will be restored frame off. This means the entire body will be removed from the car, the frame will be inspected entirely, and all parts will be reconditioned. With our in-house restoration, we offer our clients a wide range of color options so they can configure their dream classic car. All mechanical parts such as engine, axles, and transmission will be taken out for full revision and restoration. And there it is, reborn, redefined, and all set to leave the workshop. Our service team goes ahead and puts this beauty to an acid test. All functions will be checked extensively, from the powertrain to the brakes, to all electronics, to the chassis. Our clients expect a perfectly running classic car, and this is what they will get. The professional detailing and cleaning add the final touch. Each of our in-house restored models comes with a 1-year full warranty, an individual valuation report, A+ mint condition, a photographic documentation of the restoration, and comprehensive client support. You wish to finally fulfill your dream of a classic car? Get in touch with us via WhatsApp, our website, Instagram, mail, or by telephone. We're looking forward to hearing from you.